They're picking up their coffee. They're getting their coffee. I don't know what it was delivering. There it goes. They're ready to take off again.
Woo! So fast. How do they do that?
It's got a QR code on the landing pad, so it knows where to get to. Here's
The yellow. I like the yellow.
Yellow's very cute. Is it Meituan?
Yep.
That's why.
I think so far only Meituan is doing that. Including the card, you know?
Yeah, I love the little delivery cars. It's going up pretty high this time. There he goes. Bye-bye. And he goes home. Meow. He's gonna go around the corner there.
Bye-bye. Adios.
What's funny is he's got a landing site that's literally a block away. That's where they load.